GoDaddy Website Builder Honest Review. Watch before using. GoDaddy Website Builder is a drag-and-drop platform designed for beginners who want to create a website quickly without coding. It offers pre-designed templates, an intuitive interface, and built-in SEO tools. The platform is ideal for small businesses, freelancers, and entrepreneurs who need a basic website fast. Features include an AI-powered website generator, e-commerce capabilities, and integrations with social media and marketing tools. Performance-wise, GoDaddy delivers solid uptime and fast loading speeds. The drag-and-drop editor is straightforward, but customization is limited compared to competitors like Wix or WordPress. You can change colors, fonts, and layouts, but you're mostly restricted to template structures. If you need deep customization, GoDaddy may not be the best choice. However, for users who prioritize ease of use over flexibility, it works well. GoDaddy's e-commerce functionality is decent but lacks advanced features. You can set up an online store, manage inventory, and accept payments, but options like abandoned cart recovery or extensive third-party integrations are missing. It's good for small businesses, but not ideal for scaling a large online store. SEO tools include automated suggestions and basic optimizations, but they fall short compared to platforms like WordPress with Yoast. If ranking high on Google is a priority, GoDaddy might not be the best option. Pricing is competitive, with tiered plans, but it's not the cheapest. The e-commerce plan costs more than similar services offering better features. Customer support is available 24/7 via chat and phone, which is a plus. Overall, GoDaddy Website Builder is great for beginners who need a simple, no-fuss website quickly. If you want deep customization, advanced SEO, or a feature-rich online store, there are better options. If ease of use is your top priority, it's worth considering.